Hi, this is Infraready ghost hunting equipment. Just made a few tweaks to this EVP sampler that we're putting together. So first of all, we'll tweak this little pot and just adjust it back. It's probably need a different size pot in there, but for the benefit of the exercise. So the idea of this EVP is when you're out in field and you're asking questions and playing back the EVP to your camera, etc. Without software, it's difficult to change the speed of your recording. So if you think there's something that's slow or fast, you can't actually adjust that unless you go to a laptop, download the audio and then play it back at a different rate. So I'll just press down the test button or the record button and I'll record a short clip of audio. So when I press the play button,
so I'll just press down the test button or the record button.
So we're getting the playback there. So if I press
play, I'll just press down the test button or record button.
So as you can see, you can considerably slow down the pitch or increase the pitch of your EVP sample. So it takes a sample of about 10 seconds. So I'll just quickly count you through. So if we record 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Well, we've got about 7 seconds there. It's probably because the pot's adjusted. So you're looking at about a 7-second question that you can ask.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, if you're interested, just drop us a comment. We'll be obviously getting these out for field. I think this one we're going to send it to Charlene, Paranormal Hauntings team, to put to the test. So if all goes well out in the field and it gives good results, then hopefully by June they'll be added to our ghost hunting store. There we go, a few effects. That's about as good as my editing gets. Right, have a top weekend.